Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use Chromecast in your TCL Android TV. So to find the Chromecast, as you can see, if you go to the top right corner in the settings, and if you scroll down and go to device preferences, you can see there's the Google Cast option right here. So in order to use that, you can use any Android device. So for example, I have this Android device. So if I go to the options and I scroll down to the control center, and if I click on the cast screen option, as you can see, this is my screencast option right here. So if I click on my cast screen option, it is going to search for devices nearby, and as you can see now, it has searched the living room TV. So I can now click on my living room TV and I can start the casting now. And now my mobile screen is casted on my TCL Android TV. So this is how you use the Chromecast feature of your TCL Android TV. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.